And our next segment would be a guest performance. And I'm sure, kilala niyo na yun, tama ba? Excited ba kayo mga sa performance ng ating guest performer for today? Parang niya, excited ka ba? Yun, okay. So, para sa mga hindi nakakaalala, let me introduce to you our guest performer, who is a host and a rising solo artist known for her positive energy, truly a bright sunshine wherever she goes. She is currently a resident artist and host on Let's Groove on RJTV, and she was part of Jack Frost the Musical, which recently concluded. This year, she is a nominee for Best Youth Video Artist at the Aliu Award, following her nomination as Best Child Performer Female last year. Our guest continues to shine, captivating audiences with every performance. Without further ado, everyone, let's give a warm round of applause for Rai!
So to start off this performance, I will be singing Ice Cream. So I want you guys to give your full participation for this song, okay? Let's do this. is Rai. And you can follow me you can follow me on all social platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Threads, TikTok, you guys name it. You can follow me at _rare. So that's spelled as _RAIRE.
Love you, Joey!
You know that. Ayan, so I have more songs to perform later. And as a matter of fact, I have a special guest performing with me today. I would like to call on my cousin. Please give a round of applause for Dream. Wala lang yun na. Isa pa nga, please give a round of applause for Dream. Would you like to greet the audience? Yes, good afternoon everyone. I am Dream. So yeah, today we are going to be performing 2 songs. I'm going to be performing 2 songs with Ryan. So yeah, so the first song is actually a song by AKB48. It's entitled First Dragon. So performance. Would you like to drink water first? Yeah, okay. Give us a minute, guys. Yes. That was our second song for this segment. And our first song together. And for our next song, we'll be doing a dance cover. Yeah. So this is a bit I would say mellow. It's not mellow. It's not really mellow. It's a groovy song. Yeah. But like if you listen to the lyrics, you would understand why I would say so. Yeah. So this is a dance cover. Yeah, so our dance cover is, maybe you guys know it. It's actually a Twice song. Sino nakakala ng Twice dito? So there are a few, yes. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to be performing Cry For Me by Twice. So this is a dance cover. So we want you guys to Yeah, if you guys want to follow my socials, you can follow me on Instagram. So we made an account at Lobsy, LOBTEI. And I also have a costume account. So you guys can follow that as well. It's at dri.co. You guys can also follow me on TikTok. So it's at AME and AI. So you can just check out on my if things are really okay. Alright, okay. Let's do this. You said you're really promoting your social media account. Final words for you. Thank you guys. wala na siya pa yun. Kaya thank you guys. Please give some love to Ate Bree. Thank you so much. Na-enjoy mo ang performance namin. Na-enjoy mo ang performance namin. That's good. Na-enjoy mo ang performance namin. So once again, thank you to my cousin, Bree. She truly is talented. So please follow her social media accounts and of course my social media accounts. Once again, I would like to promote it. You can follow me in all platforms. Instagram, Facebook, you guys, and you can follow me at _rare. It's spelled as _RAIRE. And of course, please visit my booth. From everyone's perspective, is at the right side of the stage, behind the big, beautiful golden Christmas tree. Punta kayo doon magpag-check kayo sa akin. You know, check out my merch, the photo card banners, and even, you don't have check-in sessions. And aside from my booth, please check out all the other booths here in this event. Ozzy would appreciate it a lot. And of course, thank you to Ozzy. I am truly honored to be performing here on this stage, Ayala House, Manila Bay, for I'm Fair. I just straight up yapping. I ran out of breath. So, without further ado, this is my last song. This is Oh My Pumpkin by AKB48. So please keep your phones up because this is the song I will be kukuha ko ng phone kasi hindi ko ibabalik sa inyo. Hindi, joke lang. I-video kahit matapos kukunin ko. Ayan. Swerte na lang kayo. So, thank you everyone. This is my last song. Once again, it's Oh My Pumpkin by AKB48. Let's do it. you guys know you can follow me at _rare, spelled as _RAIRE. Once again, I would like to thank my cousin Dree. What's up, Dree? For performing with me here today on this stage. We and I are truly honored, and thank you so much, Annie Fair, Ozzy,